My name is Doug Remer, and I'm the head coach for the Thunderbolts.
I'm Burmester, I'm the assistant coach. Coach Johnson, pitching coach.
Brian Brewer, assistant coach of the Thunderbolts.
Favorite MLB team is the Washington Nationals and the Baltimore Orioles.
Orioles, Washington Nationals.
Baltimore Orioles.
Albert Pujols.
Adam Jones. Wait a minute, is that all time? Wait a minute. Vladimir Guerrero.
Clayton Kershaw.
Favorite T-Bolt is Mr. David Stinson.
I'm gonna go with Remer, Coach Remer. Doug Remer.
Doug Remer.
Favorite movie is, I'm gonna go with Remember the Titans. I still cry every time. That's how you know.
I'm gonna go with Glory.
Favorite movie is Major League.
Favorite song is Hello by Lionel Richie.
Favorite song, Alright. Yeah, Cold Sweat.
Favorite song is Enter Sandman by Metallica.
Man, this is a good question. I like the one Goodnight Moon.
Green Eggs and Ham. Clifford.
Favorite children's book is Pout Pout Fish.
Bell, without question, Bell.
Let's go with Jasmine. Ariel.
I'm going to go with the new one because my kids like Moana.
Favorite also memory was last summer, Nick Sierra hitting a walk-off 3-run homer on my birthday against the Giants.
Favorite baseball memory? Hitting 3 home runs in a doubleheader. Winning the 2000 National District Championship.
Favorite baseball memory is playing in an LSU regional my freshman year.
I'll be hanging with my daughter, probably going to the beach, the mountains, swimming, cooking, dancing, singing. Tressa. That's it.
Probably working. Be working.
I would probably be spending more time with my children.